How to fix printer error 0x80070077 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 2. Update or reinstall printer drivers. Outdated or corrupted printer drivers can cause communication issues between Windows and the printer. If that didn't work, fix 3. Run the Windows Printer Troubleshooter. Windows includes a built-in troubleshooting tool that can automatically detect and fix common printer-related errors, including 0x80070077. Corrupted print spooler files can interfere with normal printing operations. Clearing these files can help resolve error 0x80070077. Fix 5. Check for Windows updates. Microsoft frequently releases updates that include bug fixes for printing issues. Installing the latest updates may resolve error 0x80070077.